to create directions in Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create directions in Google Maps. For that, open your Google Maps application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this interface here, type the destination you want to navigate into the search bar at the top of the screen. You can enter an address, business name, landmark, or even just general keywords like coffee shop or bus station. Once you have entered your destination, Google Maps will likely display several options. Tap or click on the one that matches your destination. Once you reach to this page, here you will find directions option. Click on this direction. And now here you will have to select your current location. Choose your current location and then you will see variety of options at the top, including different routes and modes of transportation like driving, walking, public transit. Tap or click on the one that best suits your need. You can start navigation by tapping this start button. Now you will see the turn-by-turn direction to your destination. Both on screen are voice-guided directions provided by the Google Maps to reach your destination. So in this way you can create directions in Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.